go then for Britain Ferry Lansdowne.
Nice to come back to Portoba first of all, and I hadn't scored an open play goal yet, so it was nice to score a hat-trick. Nice penalty to start off, ease the nerves a bit, and come off then after I scored my hat-trick. Happy days.
Obviously the boys are a bit down. We're a very young side at the moment. From the start of the season, quite a few players have left. Also, obviously the manager Mark Pike left. It's just a matter of trying to keep the club afloat and fulfilling fixtures at the moment.